First, let's say that this tool will make you able to download from all those sites. First, we make sure to install Python Install Manager from Microsoft Store. After that, we click on Open and this window pop up. Then we can write py install to install the Python on our device. Then you can make sure that you have the Python. Press the start and search for Python. Make sure it's there. Now we go to desktop and create a folder with the name yt-downloads. On that field, we type cmd and click enter. Now this window will pop up. We'll type pip install -u yt-dlp and hit enter. As you can see, there's warning said that I don't have the right path for the folder. So for fixing that, I need to go to menu, go to cmd, run it as administrator, and put this command. Only change the username of your computer. Mine is Danny K. You change it to whatever user you have on your computer. Now to the step 2, installing ffmpeg. And what is that? This is a tool for merging audio and video together to get one final file with the best quality. So you type this command, and again, all commands are in the description below. You hit enter, you wait for the download to finish, and after that you'll get this message saying successfully installed. Now you can download any video you want. So I'll explain it one by one. yt-dlp is to recall the tool we installed it with Python. -f is to choose the format. Best video plus best audio is to get the best video and audio available on that clip, up to 4K. Merge output format MKV is to merge the audio and the video together to get one final file. And finally, the URL of the video you want to download. Hitting enter, you will notice that it started to download the video and the audio and merge it all together. Now, as you can see, it has the audio and the video together first with the best quality. Another application for this method is to download the full playlist. You go and copy the playlist URL. Then you go back to that folder, run cmd, and then type this command. So it's the same as before, but here you will notice a new line, which is -o and the playlist title. So this, what basically does is to create a folder. You will have all the playlist videos inside of it to not get the things messed up on your computer. So, if you like this video and felt that I helped you, please subscribe to my channel for more quickest tutorials.